Hey there, crypto enthusiasts! Ready to dive into the world of XRP and Ripple? Let me show you how to buy XRP easily. First, you'll need a cryptocurrency exchange like eToro. eToro is super user-friendly and perfect for both beginners and seasoned investors. Step 1. Sign up for an account on eToro. Just head over to their website, click Sign Up, and fill out your details. You'll need an email, a username, and a strong password. Don't forget to verify your email. Next, you'll have to complete your profile. This includes some personal information and a quick identity verification. It's straightforward but necessary to keep everything secure. Once your account is good to go, it's time to deposit funds. eToro supports various payment methods like credit cards, PayPal, and bank transfers. Choose the one that suits you best and transfer the amount you want to invest. Now, let's get to the exciting part. Buying XRP. Search for XRP in the eToro search bar. When it pops up, click on it to open the trading page. Here you'll see the latest market data, charts, and news about XRP. Ready to buy? Click on the Trade button. Enter the amount you want to invest. eToro lets you buy fractions of XRP, so you don't need to purchase a whole lot. Set your order type, market or limit, and confirm. Boom, you've just bought XRP. Don't forget to keep an eye on your investment. eToro offers various tools and features to track your portfolio and market trends. You can also set price alerts and stay updated on the latest news. And there you have it. Buying XRP is that simple. Hit the like button if you found this guide helpful and subscribe for more crypto tips and updates. Happy investing!